What's up, you guys? So it is officially Vlogmas day 1. Well, actually it's like Vlogmas day like -1 because today is actually November 30th. So I'm starting Vlogmas a day early this year because I'm in LA. I literally just arrived. So I thought it would be weird if I like started Vlogmas and I was like, hey guys, I'm in LA. And you were like, what? You never told us you were going? So I figured that I would just start and vlog my whole trip on the first day. So it's November 30th. I'm in West Hollywood right now with Too Faced for an event tomorrow, but today's just kind of like a travel day. So I have like basically the whole day to do whatever, kind of explore around LA. I literally just got to my hotel now. It's a really, really pretty room. And yeah, and then I think I need to go get something to eat because it is 3 p.m. here, but that means it's 6 p.m. at home and I haven't eaten since like 7 a.m. home time, which would have been like, I don't know, 4 a.m. California time. So I'm hungry. So pretty. This is Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood, California. Those houses up there, you guys, that's what I want to have one day. Maybe one day, we'll see. I love California because it has so many hills like that. Like, I just think it's really pretty. It's funny because at the desk they like actually asked me, they're like, do you want a pool view or mountain view? And I was like, I want a mountain view. I want to check out those houses. Oh my gosh, I can only imagine how much they probably cost, but nonetheless, beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up editing that video and then I need to eat because I'm literally so hungry. I think I'm gonna meet up with some of the girls that are here and grab something to eat. I have no idea where to go. I've been to LA quite a few times, but I can never remember like where I eat when I'm here and if I should go back. All I know is In-N-Out and Earth Cafe. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Today is officially Vlogmas day 1. It's December 1st. I just woke up. I just put on like some face makeup, no eyes, no brows, nothing. I'm about to run to Starbucks. I need some coffee. It's like 10:30 a.m. LA time, so it's actually like kind of late at home. But I'm about to go get some coffee. I'm gonna meet Shay down in the lobby and we're gonna go to Starbucks. And yeah, later on today I'm gonna go get my hair slayed at Bellami. I'm so excited. That's why my hair looks like garbage now because I have to just go with like plain hair because they're gonna do it for me. So yeah, that's why I kind of look like crap, but it's another beautiful day out here in LA. I feel like y'all just have beautiful days every day, like for real though. So yeah, I'm gonna run down to the lobby because I'm late and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, you guys, so I'm here at Starbucks. I got the protein bistro box and a venti iced tea and I'm here with Shay. Hey guys! Say your channel name.
That girl Shay XO.
You guys should definitely follow her.
Thank you.
So we're just having some, I guess this is breakfast and lunch combined.
Our brunch. Oh, we're brunching.
Yes,
kind of.
we're brunching at Starbucks. But yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, you guys, so we are at the Grove. We're just walking around. We actually just got yelled at in Topshop that we couldn't use our camera, so I couldn't show you guys inside of Topshop, but they had so many cute things.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
We're
like,
jealous we don't have one.
Oh. Yeah, oh no, you're good. No, like literally we need to get one in New Jersey. There's one in New York and like a little one in Nordstrom's, but we need one in Jersey ourselves, for sure. This place is so cute though. I love it here. And they have like so much Christmas stuff. I'll show you guys. Like they have all these Christmas decorations. Oh, so cute. You guys, look at how pretty that tree is and the reindeer. Oh my God, Christmas time in LA is so cute. Hi you guys, so I just finished up doing some of my makeup. I'm gonna like switch it up a little bit before I go to the event tonight, but I'm gonna head over now to the Bellami beauty bar. I'm actually really close to it, but so I'm gonna take an Uber. I just called for the Uber. They're probably like already downstairs. Let me check because okay, no, they're like almost here, but I'm gonna head over to the Bellami beauty bar and get this hair done because it looks really crappy at this moment. So yeah, they're gonna slay it and I'm really excited. Because when I was here last time in July, it was for an event with Bellami, but I just didn't have time to actually go to the beauty bar to get my hair done. Like I obviously went there for the event and it was actually like a 2-year anniversary party for their beauty bar, but I just like didn't have time to actually get my hair done. So I'm really excited. I know they're probably gonna do an awesome job. I'm gonna get like color matched, new extensions. We're gonna cut them and style them and I'm very excited. Hey guys, I'm sorry about the lighting, that it's like so dark. I'm trying to get like the last seconds of daylight that I have here, but I just got back from the Bellami beauty bar. They literally slayed my hair. Like, oh my god, it was such an awesome experience. I got new extensions that match so well, and they cut them and like blended them in with my hair and then curled it. They were so sweet. It was so much fun. I'll put a link to Bellami down below. It's not sponsored by Bellami or anything like that, but I literally just had such an amazing experience. I was like, oh my god, I want to come back here every time I come to LA to get this done. Like, they were awesome. And I do have a coupon code with Bellami as well. It's Kelly5 in case you guys are interested in saving some money. And I always have the extensions that I wear linked down below, and I'll link the actual like shade and everything of these new ones. These are the ombre ones, but I'm not sure of which shades they were, so I'll have that all linked down below in case you guys are interested. But I have to get ready like really quick because it's already 5 o'clock. The two-phase event I think starts at 7, so I'm gonna just kind of spruce up my makeup a little bit, get on my outfit, and then I'm actually heading over to Laura Lee's house. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. Me and Laura have been friends for so long. So I feel like I've known her like for so long. We collabed back like, I don't even know, maybe 2-3 years ago. We've been friends ever since, but I've never actually met her like in person, you know what I mean? But I feel like I know her so well. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to her house and hang out with her for a little while, and then we're gonna head over together to the two-phase event. So I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be such an awesome night. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. All right, you guys, so I am all ready for the party. The lighting in here is like really bad, but this is my outfit. My necklace is Bauble Bar. My bodysuit is AMI Club Wear. The skirt, I believe, is Windsor, and then my shoes, they're like these little lace-up shoes. These are from Lola Boutique. I love them. They're actually really easy to walk in, too. Like, they look like they're not, but they are. So I am gonna head out now and go over to Laura's, and then we're gonna head to the party.
And I have done this for so long, and the reason I'm still so excited is because we're changing lives. And you're showing tutorials, you're showing women how, and guys how to get the looks they want. But together we can make this world a better place and make it even smell good too.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the event. I'm in the bathroom right now because the lighting in this whole room is like horrible. So this is making me look like yellow. But yeah, I just got back from the event. It was such an amazing experience, you guys. Like, I got to meet so many people because living out in New Jersey, like New York area, like a lot of the influencers, they all live out here. So I don't see them that often when I go to events. So it was so cool to just meet like so many people who I've watched for so long. Like, it was awesome. And the event was just so fun. Two Face literally like went all out. Like, I literally got there and was like, oh my gosh, there was people like falling from the ceiling, like on these like big like drapery things. Like, it was literally crazy. It was awesome. They made the whole place smell like peach. Like, literally the whole thing smelled like peach. I don't know how they did that, but the entire like venue smelled like peach. It was literally amazing. And they told us that the peach palette is gonna relaunch. So excited because I know so many people couldn't get it when it originally launched. It's going to be a relaunch, and they have a whole collection, and they gave us a whole box. I'm going to show you guys everything inside right now. So they gave us this big old box that I lugged, and when you guys open it up, we have a picture of this beautiful girl, and then it says, "Sweet as a peach, the peach panic is over." This is everything inside. So we have a whole line of peach lippies, and they smell and taste just like peach. We have, this is a peach infused highlight palette, a peach blush, then of course the sweet peach palette, and then this little purse. Like, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, I have to take this out and show you guys. It's hard to do with one hand, but it's a purse. Like, oh my god, how adorable. But overall, it was literally just such a great event. I'm so grateful that they like flew me out here to be at it. Like, it just like blows my mind that I'm even here, you know what I mean? That they even know who I am, and you know, that they believed in me, and it just was a really, really great experience. I have to go pack now because my flight is really early tomorrow. I gotta pack, I gotta get up early. This is probably just gonna be, like, I'm probably not gonna vlog at all tomorrow because it's gonna be so early. So it's actually technically now Vlogmas Day 2 because it is so late at night. So this is probably gonna be the extent of Vlogmas Day 2, and then I will see you guys when I'm back in Jersey on Vlogmas Day 3. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys very soon.